Number one, here you're asked to draw the cross section from a plane intersecting the following 3D images. So here, when you do the cross section, it is this piece here, and it will look like a square. That's what the cross section would be here. Here, it is cross secting like this. That looks like that will end up to be a rectangle. The cross section here looks like that. That looks like a triangle. Triangle from this prism. This is diagonally. It looks like that. And that looks like a right triangle in particular. Right triangle. And then this is a pyramid from the side. That does look like a rectangle. So there you go. This is what happens when you do a cross section of these solids producing a 2D cross section area.